you've been looking for newer construction in St. Johns County with a pool but don't have time to build, I've got the solution. Mike Rolowitz here, 904 Home Guide team with eXp Realty. I'm at 45 Riverstone in Trailmark. This is a 5-bedroom plus office, 4-bath home with an incredible outdoor space. You're going to want to see it. Off the living space, you'll find a spacious covered patio that opens to a saltwater pool complete with a sun shelf and an entertainer's dream of a fenced backyard.